Mariing kinokondina ni Pastor Apollo Siquibloy ng The Kingdom of Jesus Christ ang ginawang pag-atake ng mga teroristang Hamas sa mga inosenteng sibilyan sa Israel.
I strongly condemn the terrorist attack against innocent civilians, families, children. That's unforgivable. That's bestial, that's demonic, that's diabolic.
Hindi anya mapigilan ng butihing pastor na maiyak dahil sa mga nakikita niyang video online, lalo na ang mga batang nasasawi dahil sa nagpapatuloy na digmaan.
I was seeing the videos. I cannot help but cry my heart out.
Sir, are we going to
Even until now, I am very broken-hearted for the kids that were brutalized. Of course, in the war, there are some casualties, collateral damage. There are children. That is, of course, what happened. But when you are attacked intentionally, off guard, and then you do that to families, kids, women being raped, and children being brutalized, killed mercilessly, I cannot describe how I felt as a human being. As a human being, I just cried. Because I love children.
Ani Pastor Apollo, hindi niya lubos maisip na kayang gawin ng isang tao sa kanyang kapwa ang ganoong klase ng karahasan.
I cannot imagine that human beings can do that to women, to children, to old people. It's just terrible. Until now, I am suffering. I am like traumatized.
Bilang isang tagapagsulong ng kapayapaan, hindi umano katanggap-tanggap ang mga relihiyon na nagtuturo na magkaroon ng puot sa puso ang isang individual kahit ito ay bata pa lamang. Hindi anya galing sa Panginoon ang ganitong mga aral.
When you teach people to hate while they are kids, this religion of hate should not be tolerated. Even though how much different we are from others. But when you teach kids until they grow up to hate and to kill, to hate and to kill your enemies, that doctrine doesn't come from God. It comes from the demonic spirits of hell. So whoever you are, whatever your belief is, I don't care about you and your belief when you have doctrines like that. You are not humans. You are demons.
Matatandaan na ang Hamas na kumukontrol sa Gaza Strip ay naglunsad ng supresang pag-atake sa Israel noong Sabado bilang pagresponde. Ang Israeli military ay nagsagawa naman ng airstrikes na tinatarget ang mga site ng Hamas at headquarters sa Gaza. Ang huling pagsiklab ng gulo na ito ay nagdulot na ng matinding bilang ng pagkasawi sa dalawang panig, kabilang na ang mga sibilyan. Para sa Diyos at Pilipinas kumahal, ito si Hannah Jane Sancho, SM9 News.